fast loading, optimal routing, on-time delivery. Modern fleets run on precision. But when problems happen, every minute of downtime costs money. We all know that preventive maintenance is the solution. So why are we risking fleet performance on manual odometer readings and paper inspections, hoping nothing breaks down along the way? Hope won't anticipate the next breakdown. UpKeep will. UpKeep connects vehicles, drivers, and maintenance schedules in real time, so you can manage your fleet with data, not guesswork. Inspections become work orders. Preventive maintenance is scheduled automatically. Recalls are flagged across the entire fleet the moment they are published. You can't fix what you can't see, and UpKeep gives you the visibility you need to prevent issues before they happen. Less downtime, faster PMs, happy drivers. Well, your mileage may vary on that last one.